Hello, and welcome to another video. This is part 2 of the pocket folder build. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. And if you found this video and haven't seen how we basically got up to this stage, you can find the previous video in my channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updated when the next video comes out. But what we'll be doing today is basically figuring out the handle. I've got two materials here. Originally I was going to be using this for handle scales, but it's turning out to be too narrow. It's not wide enough, basically. So what I've done is, if you remember this buffalo horn I saved from when I was doing the bushcraft knife, and it turned out to be too thin. The other piece was too thin, but it seems just right for this. So what we'll be doing is using this instead, using the buffalo horn. I mean, it's quite tough. It's really tough stuff. It's really strong, so it shouldn't have any problem being used as knife scale for the folder. So what we do, we'll get started. We'll get started and draw up the design, work on the bevels on this, cut this, hopefully and get it all done in one video. Otherwise this will be part 2 and it will be a part 3. It'll be a 3-part video series if I can't get it all done in one more video. Let's get started. Okay, so we've got the basic sort of design here, and it's going to sort of sit like this, somewhere like that. Well, what I'll do, things sort of change a little bit as we go. So what I'm going to do is carry on. I'm going to finish off the blade, but now I'm happy with this. I'm happy with what we're going to be using as a handle. I can finish off the blade now and get working on that. So here we have it, finished and hardened. As you can see, it's got that what's it called? That Japanese marking knife sort of look to it, style, where it only has a bevel on one side. Well, the camera's picking it up. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a day because I think I've got a lot of footage here now. See, that side's still nice and nice. This side is still smooth-ish. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw it in the oven for about an hour. And that'll be that done. And yeah, so this will be the end of part 2. So thank you again, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, so then you can you'll be informed when part 3 comes out. Thank you very much.